Alright, this is going to be a quick video of showing you how I crack my knuckles. And it's really, 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 really loud, and it's really painful, but I read that it doesn't, like, affect you at all, so, you know, whatever. So, anyway, I just grab my hand right here. I just grab and pull down. Now it might not work for you, but you know, oh god, I hope I didn't get my face. You know, just try it if you really want to. Well, don't try it because it hurts and it might affect you, but you know, I'm a beast. Anyway, yeah, that's about all. Goodbye.